And welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Supra 3.0 in the color white. Let's take a look. So starting out underneath the hood, we do have a 3-liter V6 engine turbocharged. It is automatic transmission with paddle shifters available. Gets up to 368 horsepower and 382 pound-foot of torque. Of course, up front we have our LED headlamps and daytime running lights. Also find these little round nodules across the front. These are your front parking sensors. As you move along to the side, we have our black alloy wheels here, and then our vents and side mirrors with integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring. As you keep moving back here, coming up to the back along the rear bumper, you'll find the little round nodules again, your backup parking sensors here. And if you look underneath your logo, you will find your backup camera. To open up your rear cargo space here, you can use the release button on your key fob, or you can go inside the driver's side of the door. Inside the door, underneath your front speaker, you'll find this little release button. That will unlock it for you, and then you can just gently lift it up from there. First thing you might notice inside is this interior cargo cover right here that is attached to the tops. It is fully removable if you're looking to take this out, or to simply leave this part so that it lays flat at all times. This does help to keep the privacy of anything that you are storing in your rear spaces here from any prying eyes, but as said, it can be removed if it is in the way for you. We of course have the Supra carpet mat in the back here, and then a straight through view to the front. To close up your rear cargo space, we do have the handles available up top here on the left and right. Simply reach up and bring those down, and it will close quite easily. Let's take a look at the insides. So first thing to notice is that on the door we do have the option right here. You'll see these little triple lines indicating keyless entry. You can tap your hand here to lock and unlock. Opening it up, and inside here, you'll see that your internal upholstery is this black leather with this white stitching inside, and then the chrome details, of course. Driver's side door here, we do have the JBL speakers available for you. Power lock system next to your handle, and then you have your 2 front power windows and side mirror controls as well as your power lock. This button here allows you to fold your mirrors in flat with your vehicle. And then as we saw on the bottom, we have the trunk release. Both the front driver and passenger seats are power adjustable. Driver's seat, of course, 2 and 1 mark that this is a memory seat setting available for you. Hood release latch is on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Pull it twice to release it. And then above that, you have your controls for your headlamps and your dash brightness. Hop in here and take a look at your steering wheel. First thing to notice is, of course, the paddle shifters up top here. Then on the left-hand side is everything for your adaptive cruise control settings. And then on the right-hand side, you have controls for your hands-free communication and volume control, as well as the scroll control. If you look up top, you'll see you have the heads-up display, and you can use the scroll ability to flip through all of your various options and different radio modes. And then, of course, you have your dash display in the middle. In here is where you have your fully informative display screen. This can be controlled for your radio on the bottom, for your volume, and then different settings. We have a full video for showing you how to fully customize all of these numbered setting bars to your liking. In order to use the screen, while it is a touch screen, you can also use the scroll ability down here. This is twistable, tiltable, any way that you're looking to in order to scroll through everything that you have here. This screen does allow you to have access to all of your media. This unit does come with FM, satellite, as well as full Bluetooth connectivity, and an optional USB adapter on the bottom here for your music listening. From there, we also have the navigation that is fully built in and has lots of great options with that navigation there. And then you have the scrolls for everything else. Under that, or next to this, first of all, is your push start ignition. Underneath it is your climate control center. We have the dual climate control so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings. We also have the tri-level 2 front heated seats and defrost for front and rear windshield, as well as your side mirrors. Under that is the little storage space with the USB port, as we saw. This has a built-in charging pad for all compatible devices, so that your phone can go in here, you're still able to see what's going on, and you don't lose your charge while it's there. And then we have the 12-volt on the other side. Have your automatic gear shift in the middle here, and then you have your control for your automatic on-off, and then sport and driving modes, including your traction control. Looking back from that is your cup holders, and then up overhead is where you have your controls for your overhead lighting, as well as your SOS button. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Supra 3.0 in the color white. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703, and remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.